Introducing Mad Science's newest out-of-school time OST program. Stemist Society is a series of world-class experiential workshops that transform STEM concepts into fun learning. Mad Science is an approved strategic Chicago public school vendor for OST programs. Stemist Society will take students on a journey of hands-on learning and help them discover their inner scientists. The program offers up to 10 workshops on diverse STEM topics. Each is a new world of exploration into STEM concepts and careers. Stemist Society workshops available to your school include Mad Machines, Graphology, Life in the Sea, Walloping Weather, Planets and Moons, Junior Reactors, Energy Burst, Bugs, Kitchen Chemistry, and Current Events. The workshops support students' academic acceleration, encourage social-emotional learning in school, and affect positive attitudes towards STEM careers to inspire students to become sports engineers, astronauts, oceanographers, and more. The experiential learning workshops and accompanying resources can be easily integrated into curricular, co-curricular, or extracurricular activities in your school. Our workshops are flexible to accommodate your teachers and students whenever you need them, during classroom hours, after school, or over the summer. Contact us to register your school for the Stemist Society program today.